Shlomo's getting a little shoulder rub. I'm up here on the traps, and that might be from too much computer time, Shlomo.
Yeah.
Texting your friends. So here we go. And you're gonna, there it goes. Did you hear that little click? Ooh, did you hear that?
Yes.
All right, love Shlomo. Here we are at Tamerlaine Sanctuary, and we're in New Jersey, right?
Yep.
So we're about 2 hours from New York. I just drove up this morning. We're seeing a lot of animals. How many animals do you think you have? About 250?
Yeah, around
250. And it's such a beautiful farm. Now, they also have an Airbnb here, so you can come book a night or a weekend. Check out their website, and if you ever care to help them with donations, that's awesome. Or if you want to come visit and see the animals yourself, and the Airbnb is just beautiful. I mean, this is picturesque here. Really unbelievable. It's only 2 hours from New York City. This is Viola. She's the farm manager here at Tamerlaine Sanctuary, where I'm here as a volunteer today. And so tell us about Shlomo.
So Shlomo was rescued almost 9 years ago. So it's gonna be 9 years this Thanksgiving coming. And it was rescued. It was a big effort from different sanctuary and activists, and they rescue a lot of turkeys before being slaughtered for Thanksgiving. And he's one of the lucky ones.
So he made it out, and you had a coalition of a few sanctuaries involved, right?
Yeah.
Really nice. And he's lived to tell the tale. Now he's knocking over his grain and seeds.
It's right here.
Now, what's been going on? He's moving a little slow, right?
You know, it's an older turkey.
Yeah.
You know, like the white chicken, it's a meat turkey, so.
Yeah. So he's.
They're not meant to live this long, but they actually obviously did. So it's just an old man. It's been like.
Yeah.
He's slowing down. He got like wheelchair time.
Right. So he's a senior, and as we get older, we all get a little achy and arthritic and don't move as well. And you know, like Viola was saying, a lot of turkeys never live this long. So he's pushing the age and feeling his years sometimes. The sands of time add up.
Slowly.
So may I work with you a little bit, Shlomo? I'm going to just check you out. And I'm going to come up in here and feel your neck. And now they have totally different skeletons than the mammals you'll see me work with. And an average of 14 bones in the neck, 7 thoracic. The middle part of the thoracics are fused. And that also gives better structure for the wings to sit on top. And so I'm going to, you know, mammals have 7 bones in their neck, except this sloth and the manatee. So I'm up here at the neck, and I'm going to let him stretch a little bit with that neck, just see what that feels like. Yeah, look at that. Shlomo's getting a little shoulder rub. I'm up here on the traps, and that might be from too much computer time, Shlomo.
Yeah.
Texting your friends, and too much time on YouTube. Maybe watch an Animal Cracker. Do you watch my channel? No.
Yes, he sure
He does?
They do have a TV when they're inside.
Do they really?
Yes.
All right, so let's see if I can get with him. Shlomo, don't run around so much. All right, so here's your little atlas. And you're gonna, there it goes. Did you hear that little click? Shlomo. All right, let's do this neck stretch now. Good, so I'm rubbing up and down here, and into the traps. I gotta reach under your wings to get your upper thoracics. So here we go. All right, so now I'm down here. I'm underneath. I don't know if you could see that. And I'm coming down. I just want to feel where the tail meets here. So I'm going to lift your tail up a little bit. Oh, there you go. That's a good release. That's going to feel nice for you when you're swinging your tail around. So let's bring the legs up. So you could see that here's his little feet. They're not too little. They're pretty big. And sorry, but I'm going to just check your hip next. And right in here. So my thumb is on the hip, right under there. Good. And I'm going to lift. And, ooh, did you hear that?
Yes.
That's a good one. Shlomo, I just got your hip. So let's come to the other side. That cracked.
Oh,
Shlomo, we just did a little release.
On the other side. Boy.
You're like, wow. Getting a
I
little
got you.
loosening.
I got you. I got you, Papa.
Ooh, did you hear that one? That was
Yeah.
even louder. All right, Shlomo, I think we're done. Let me just rub your neck out a little bit more. You're a good guy. Shlomo, you didn't even know you're going to see me today. Hi, Shlomo. Good boy. Okay, you're a good guy. Shlomo. All right, I love Shlomo. All right, Shlomo, you're good to go.
Boy.
That's all we're going to do. I just want to get those hips for him. And I got the neck, I got the atlas. And Shlomo, we'll see you soon, okay?
Yes.
Thanks, everybody. And you're gonna, there it goes. Did you hear that little click? Shlomo. All right, let's do this neck stretch now. Oh, there you go. That's a good release. That's gonna feel nice for you when you're swinging your tail around.